In the beginning there was only endless sky, restless water, and an earth without shape. Then came balance, not chaos or coincidence, but precision. The Most Gracious taught humanity the guidance of the divine word, a guidance written not just in ink but etched into existence itself. He shaped mankind and then gave us the gift of expression so that we might explain, reflect, and remember. The sun and the moon, they do not wander. They move by a precise measure. The trees, the flowers, even the smallest blade of grass, each one bows to his will. He raised the sky high above us, then set the scale, a balance of truth. A reminder, do not tip the scales, do not cheat what is just. And the earth, it has been spread for you with fruits that hang heavy and date palms wrapped in sheaths. You will find grain covered in husks and flowers whose scent calls to your soul. Every detail, every proportion, perfectly designed. So then, which of your Lord's favors will you deny? He created humans from clay, dry and ringing like pottery. And from smokeless fire he formed beings of energy, invisible to the naked eye, yet present in ways we cannot measure. In the Lord, he is the Lord of the two risings and the two settings. Where oceans meet, he placed a barrier, a border they cannot cross. Yet from their depths he brings out pearls and coral. So then, which of your Lord's favors will you deny? Ships, towering like mountains, sail across the sea. Yet all of this, every single thing that lives and breathes, will one day perish. Only one face remains, the face of the most glorious, the most honorable. Everything that dwells in the heavens and earth turns to him again and again. Every moment he is at work. And now he turns his attention to you, O humankind, and O jinn. We ask in whispers and in cries, what is the reward of goodness if not goodness itself? And yet some choose to turn away. On that day, those who rejected this path will be known by their actions. They will face the consequences of their deeds, not out of vengeance, but because the universe was built on balance. And the wicked will be seized by their foreheads and their feet. This is the hell they denied. They will pass between fire and scalding water again and again. But to those who feared the majesty of their Lord, there are two gardens, lush, branching, and alive. Two fountains flow from them, pure and free. Fruits are in abundance, ripe and waiting to be plucked. There they recline on silk-lined carpets, surrounded by companions of perfect devotion, pure and untouched. Their beauty is like rubies and coral, their presence like serenity in form. So then, which of your Lord's favors will you deny? And beyond them, still more. Two more gardens await, deep green, mysterious in shade and scent, two fountains again, unceasing and life-giving. There, fruits of every kind, dates and pomegranates, and again, companions await, graceful and pure, sheltered and tense, not woven by hands. They lean back on cushions of green and carpets rich with wonder. The path was never hidden. The signs were never silent. You saw them in the stars, in the rain, in the breath that fills your lungs. This was never just poetry. It was a map. And now that you know, where will you go? So then, which of your Lord's favors will you deny?